Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to set up a delegate as a contributor on your X, formerly Twitter, account using the latest desktop update. Whether you manage a brand, a business, or just need someone to help handle posts and messages, this quick guide will show you exactly how to give access safely and easily. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to add a delegate. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the More icon. It's the one with 3 dots and a small circle. This will open a menu with several options. From here, select Settings and Privacy. Under this section, go to Security and Account Access. This is where you'll find all the controls related to who can access your X account and what they can do with it. Next, click on Delegate. You'll see an option labeled Members You've Delegated. Click on that. This page shows any existing delegates linked to your account, and it's also where you can add a new one. Now, to invite someone new, click Invite a Member. A search bar will appear. Type the name or the @username of the person you want to add. Make sure it's the correct account. You don't want to send permissions to the wrong user. Once you find the right person, it's time to assign their role. Select Contributor from the available roles. A contributor can help with posting and engagement, but won't have full control over your account, making it a safe and ideal choice for team members or assistants. After choosing the role, click Send Invite. The person you invited will receive a notification and can then accept your invitation to join as a contributor. And that's it. You've successfully delegated access to your account. Now, your contributor can help manage your presence on X without needing your personal login details. It's quick, simple, and secure. Perfect for teamwork made easy.